Okay, Paula, where are we going?
We are going on a walk to the desert bar.
I don't think that's the exact name, but we're
What's
going.
the name of it?
I don't know. I'll have to put the camera down.
It's a bar in the desert.
It's a bar in the desert. We're gonna go for lunch while we wait for the ambo, right?
Yep.
That's supposed to be done today. Cross your fingers. We won't jinx it. All right, let's go. Say bye, Pippa. We're going into the desert. Dallas, we're leaving you. We're saying bye. Do you even care? It's a nice cool day. They got a fan. The roof vent's open. You'll be okay. Say bye.
1, 2, 3, action.
Okay, we're live, I think. Is it on? I can't tell. Where are we going? We're going to the bunker bar.
Bunker bar, that's what it's called.
In the middle of nowhere, we're starting at Lone Tree BLM land, following the dirt road that you need an off-road vehicle for. And it's supposed to be a 59-minute walk. Are you timing us?
No.
Right, here we are 15 minutes into the walk to, what was the bar called again? The bunker bar. The bunker bar. You got some nice mountains over here. You got a beautiful girlfriend hiding from the camera. Way back there is the mountain that has the lone tree on it that we climbed a couple days ago. This is the type of company that you're gonna have. And to go back here, you need a cool off-road vehicle like that. They're waving. We got one more coming through. Let's get a low angle shot. All right, this is a surprise to us. It's a catchment. It's some sort of watering hole for animals out here. Oh, here we go. Mojave Mountain catchment number 1. You'll have bighorn sheep rely on it. And over here, the sign tells you what a catchment is. The wonderful thing about YouTube is you can pause and read that if you want. Taking a quick break to catch the view. I think we still got 30 minutes left. It says if we take that road that it wants to keep us on, it's 30 minutes. But I think we can cut right over this hill and cut it in half. And if you look over there on top of the hill, that has to be where we are trying to go. You can hear the music. You can hear the music at the bunker bar, and holy cow, there's a lot of people out here. So most people have off-road vehicles to get out here. Let's take a closer look. Look at this car up there. Well, I'm a sucker for just having things around to jump around on. So of course I became a kid, except for these logs become so far apart, they actually, your momentum, you just can't stop. You have to try to jump to the next one. And I did not do that so gracefully. Ah, oops. That's all I got.
Do the tires.
Famous last words. Just do the tires. Okay, I had jumped on these a minute ago and did just fine, but I had not tried to do this jump right here, and this I did not think I was gonna make. Do I make it? Do I? Well, I made it. I made it. Don't worry. I'm still gonna fall right in a second. I guess you want Way over there is the bunker bar. We are walking back injured. And here is, I don't know what this is. It's just a ruin of good times gone wrong. A little bit of graffiti, concrete wall that's all beat up.